To disable the Recent Files section in the new media player, go to Local Disk C, go to the Users folder, open up the folder with your username, and go to the op.data folder. If the op.data folder doesn't show up, click on the three-dot icon on the top of the window, click on Options, go to the View tab, select the Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives option, and click OK. In the op.data folder, go to Local Packages and search for the Microsoft.Zune on the search bar located in the top right corner of the window. Open up the Microsoft Zune Music folder, go to the Local State folder, and delete two files named appstate.json and Media Player. After deleting those files, go to the Start menu and search for Media Player. Start the app directly from its own shortcut to recreate the clean versions of the files we deleted. If you skip this step, your app won't be able to run since it will not be able to recreate the files we deleted at the end of the whole process. Close the app and go back to the previous folder. Right-click on the Local State folder, click on Properties, go to the Security tab, and click on Advanced. Double-click on Account Unknown and uncheck the boxes of Full Control, Modify, and Write Permissions. Click OK on three windows we just opened to close them off. After this process, recent files won't be shown on the app since the app cannot register the activities to files anymore. This method was the only way for me to disable the recent file registration without crashing the app. I hope this helps to you too.